All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today, at the end of the day, I worked on extending these two rods down with rod couplings. As you can see, the little hex long nuts up there. So you screw those in and basically extends the all thread that's already there. This is 1/2-inch rod, and then I did go ahead and put a piece of strut down there for support, and yes, I mounted that backwards. So I have to flip that around tomorrow and strap it with the 1.25-inch strap. Then also working with obstacles again, obviously I have to get over these air lines. Had to go between these lights and stuff to get to the ceiling again. But anyways, this is the first thing I worked on this morning, which was the hanging this light again, just basically making the box, pre-making the box on the ground with the MC whip, and then mounting the plug and everything, and then just screwing it to the ceiling. In this case, I mounted it to this random piece of strut that was hanging across the ceiling, which is coming into the picture now. And then I went ahead and zip tied the wire inside the strut about 3 or 4 times, and then from there I went straight up the iron beam and then straight across the ceiling with some MC straps. So it turned out really nice for being MC. Pretty proud of that. Looked pretty clean. And then a coworker was working on strapping this down. It's going to be a journeyman in a month or so, but this just turned out like dog poo, no offense, but there's definitely a better way to do that. And I'm not just calling him out, I would call myself out or anyone out that did that, just because he twisted the chain around the flex right there, and it just looks really bad. So hopefully that gets fixed. But just working on mounting these boxes all day. That's what my coworker was working on the second half of the day. But what I was going around and doing was going around and extending the rods down and zip tying the flex to the rods that I was adding. So that's pretty much what I was doing all day, and driving the lift around again. So having to move a bunch of obstacles, tires, and stuff like that. But pretty much took all day, so that was nice. And it was really hot. Pretty much the same temperature as yesterday, but it was the hottest day in a while. 102 degrees right now as I'm making this video. But the only difference mainly was my clothes were sticking to me more than yesterday, but it's pretty much just as hot as yesterday because they have no fans or anything like that, or windows to open up at the top of the building to let the air escape. So pretty much all the hot air that they make inside the building stays in the building, and it's just really muggy and sticky. So other than that, it was a really good day, went by really fast, so happy about that, and I'll be back there tomorrow. And lastly, I shot a music video on Sunday, so I'm excited to see when that is done, how that turns out. I'll share that with you guys. I was doing a video with my friend, so he needed me to play Jesus, and he was doing John the Baptist, so pretty cool stuff, and pictures turned out really nice. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. It would help the channel grow, and I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. Check the description for anything else like social media, my second YouTube channel, video playlist, or my Xbox gamer tag or Fortnite and stuff like that. And then finally, hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. YouTube's been kind of messed up, so if you want to be notified when I upload a video, make sure to hit that button, or just come back and check every day. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Appreciate all your daily support. You guys mean the world to me. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your night. Peace out.